To home, I walked, took a whole bunch of your guys' mailers to the post office and bingo prizes and things like that, and I came home and I had a scentsy box. And in it is the Whiff box for the month. Now, I know that it came kind of late this month, and that's just because of social distancing and shipping and all of that. But I wanted to come and show you guys what was in it anyway, because you can still get this box until the end of the month. May 1st is when it'll switch over to something different. So the box that I'm going to show you is the box that you're going to get for this month. So, as always, super cute front. And then this is what it looks like on the inside, and it is actually called the Whiff box, which I thought was super cute, how they crossed it off and changed it to Whiff. And your pet will have a ball. Play the muffin tin game. Place treats inside some of the muffin cups. Cover the cups with tennis balls to hide the treats. Let your pet sniff out the treats and work for their reward. How cute is that? I love that. That's kind of fun. Except I think my dog would just dump the whole tin. But you always get a little piece of paper thing in your Whiff box that always has some sort of a craft or something special. It always has something special in it. So this month is all of our pet stuff. We got oatmeal and aloe dog detangling spray. The tea tree and peppermint dog deodorizing spray. And orange zest and nectar pet shampoo. So all three of those are full-size products, along with Be Fabulous Scent Circle, which is a grapey scent, and a scentsy tennis ball. How cute is that? For your pet. And it says Scentsy Pets on it. Let me spin it. Super duper cute. And then always there is sample cups in there of the next month's scent of the month. Next month, as you guys know, is Buzzworthy. So I've got a big 2 cube, maybe a little bit more than a 2 cube sample of that. So that is this month's Whiff box, or Wolf box as they like to call it. It's so cute. I will have to say the tea tree and peppermint and the orange zest and nectar are my 2 favorite scents in the pet line. They are different than the human line, so you don't get like vanilla bean buttercream or anything like that. But if you have a dog, I highly suggest you buy one. Give it a shot. All of our pet products were highly, highly tested and ran through like whatever you have to run through to make sure that they're safe for your dogs. They have, what do they have in it? They think they have sunflower oil, I think. I know they have colloidal oatmeal. I don't know what that is, but I know that that's in it. Aloe, sunflower oil, and colloidal oatmeal. I don't know what all that means, but I know that all of that stuff is safe for your pet. Super nurturing, and they help for shininess. I like to spray Chloe with I call it dog perfume. That's the detangler. But the deodorizing spray, the dog perfume, she took a bath the other day because Chloe has dry skin. She gets itchy kind of quick. And Tyler gave her a bath and she smelled like so bad wet dog. So I sprayed her with dog perfume. But love the pet line. It's been very, very popular. You guys have been buying it like crazy. So if you have a pet, you need to get one. And hello, how cute is that game? The muffin tin game. I don't know who in the world thought that up. I wonder if they got it off Pinterest. Like, that's cute. Who would have thought that? I'd have never thought to do something like that. Again, my dog probably would either A, not play because she's lazy, or B, she would just like tip the whole thing over. But super fun. If you need the Whiff box, it is $30, I think. I can't think. Like, I literally just walked in the door. I think it's $30 plus shipping. It's a great little box, great little mystery. Every single month is different, and you can purchase them 1 month at a time. You do not have to sign up or anything like that. And they come in a nice, sturdy little box. So, if you have any questions, just shout at me. Tyler's outside doing his speech for college, recording it in case he's waiting for him to be done so she can go outside, because I told her she wasn't allowed outside while he was recording. So I think that's about it. I hope you guys have a great day. If you need this, let me know. Like I said, it is available until the end of this month. The 1st is when it changes to a completely different box. So if you need this, grab it or let me know. I'll talk to you guys later. I'm going to try to enjoy some of the sunshine. Bye!